keep your heart out.
Aid.
Blessing.
Thank you. Anyway, the time is 8:40 on the way out to Swindon, picking up Helen, taking her down to Southampton docks. There's a big boat over there. The size of those things, they're just massive, aren't they? I just dropped off Helen. I just dropped off Helen at Southampton docks, Red Jet Terminal. She's off to the Isle of Wight. I'm off back home to somewhere near Swindon. Haven't quite worked out whereabouts I'm going to go yet with my drone, but we're going to go somewhere, so hold on to your hats. This could be kind of interesting. So I've not actually been here myself before, so this is kind of like the first time I've been here. I'm saying that I'm not really an enthusiast when it comes to railways and stuff like that. It's just that it's here. Other people might be watching the video, so this is basically for them. Kind of interesting, wasn't it? Hope you enjoyed that. Other places to go and visit now, I think. Got myself a nice little place actually on one of these little fishing platforms. Gonna send the drone out and have a bit of a fly around with it. A bit of an idea what Coate Country Park has to offer. It's a big old park actually. As you can see, it's quite a large area. It's just on the outskirts of Swindon, this place. Golf course down below. Got the town of Swindon, which is sort of dead ahead. It's heading out over that way, I believe. Heading towards the hills. Right, okay. The app's just crashed on me, which isn't very helpful, is it? Which is not very good at all, especially over water. Right, we're trying to connect once again to the app. It did this the other day. It's a bit worrying. Right, I've now reconnected again. I'll bring it back, I think. And there we go. That was our little trip around Coate Country Park. Hope you enjoyed it. Big area, lovely around here. Lots of water, lots of wildlife, and nice to get round, have a little look with the drone and see what there is really.